abamu bawa emitwalo 3 abamu 4 otuuka wali lisiti eraga emitwalo 2 n'ekitundu tuli abantu 100 ebi lisiti eraga abantu 75
gye batukuŋŋaanyaamu wakubira ye bati nawe okubira mukwano gwo gw'oyagaliza ne mukwano gwo wamukubira nga naye omukubira akubira gw'ayagaliza.
Mbeera tetwagala kumanya katuba tugenda kufa oba kukola ki tuva bugaali okitegeera kati abamu ffe simanya kikundi kati twekyawakyawadda okitegeera.
Bali batugambye bagenda tuwa emirimu e Kenya nze omulimu gwe baali baŋŋambye okutuwa wali gwa weita era mbu tugenda funa emitwalo 85 buli mwezi okitegeera mu kaashi. Mbu waliwo simanyanga gundi restaurant eyitibwa St. Mary's gye bali mu kuzimba empya naye waliwo restaurant before enkadde kati nga bali oba bagiyita batya yali kampuni bagenda kujjayo bali basooke ba training efe abapya be batwalayo tugende kati we tumala batukutte ebintu byetukola ki ebiri mu gundi nga tubikutte bagenda tuzzamu eno restaurant simanya St. Mary's empya okitegeera tugambe saa 11 ne tukeera ne tusiibawo omusana ne gutookya tulinda baasi zijje twageza okulaba jafanga nga yejja ne batutikka ne batuleeta wano.
Our forces UPDF working closely with Uganda Forest conducted a joint operation in a place called Nampungwe, Gobero, in Kachiri sub-county, Wakiso district. After a tip-off, or after getting information from local leaders that there was a group of people staying in a particular place. Therefore, we had to swing into action, and we found there around 179. These people were recruited by a lady called Nasuna Harriet. They are from different parts of this country, and she had promised them to take them to Kenya and give them jobs. Each one was paying money. Some of them paid around 60, others paid 40, others paid 20. You can imagine somebody taking you outside of the country and you are paying 20 or 40. Therefore, this is part of human trafficking, which is a crime, and the prime suspect or the person who's recruiting them has already been arrested, is within the police custody, as investigations are going on to ascertain where were these people going, because it's a risk. Somebody can promise you a job, take you to a country, but you find this person is taking you maybe in subversive activities. You find yourself ending in the wrong place, involved in subversive activities, which are also risky to the country and to your life. Therefore, we like to call upon especially the youth, because most of them they belong under the youth age group. We call upon them to ensure that they utilize government economic measures which they have put in place to improve their life. For example, the government has put in place parish development model. We have a Myoga funds. Let them utilize these funds for their self-improvement. But if you are promised to be taken outside the country, first, you don't know where you're going. Two, you might find you might end up having problems there because you are not going through the rightful ways. There are procedures that are put in place for a person to cross the border to go outside. Therefore, these people are not known by government that they have gone outside. Nobody knows about them. They have not gone through the procedures. That's why we are not taking this matter rightly. And as you are all aware, human trafficking, it's a big offense. Therefore, when investigations are done, the person who was recruiting them, of course, the law will have text course. But so far so good. We have to thank the members of the public and our security operatives for the good work done. And we call upon the members of the public to always be vigilant, to be conscious, and inform us in case they see such a gathering within their vicinity. Because we are not everywhere as security operatives, but members of the public are everywhere. And foundation security begins in our community. We have to fight criminality of any kind, whether drug abuse, whether thuggery, whether human trafficking. We have to work together with the operation. Let us share information to curb such activities. Thank you very much. bategedde amanye tigategedde babadde babatwalawa bagambye tulina obutugu mu ggwanga tulina ADF mu Congo tulina Al-Shabaab mu Somalia kati bw'oyinza kuba gatotegeera obadde ng'ojolaga naye gwe olowooza obadde ogenda wa kunoonya omulimu ate nga tubiriyo ate ndowooza mwali badde basanyufu nnyo kulaba mulinaffe wano ate mukyali balamu singa omala n'osala ensalo yaffe ey'ekenya n'ogenda bweru eri tolinayo human rights yakwogera buwadde buwedde ekinadirira bwetukimanyi awo together kati kyolaba ffe tufunye information batugamba bantu nga 100 n'omusobyo bali somewhere naye tubategeera bagenda wa naffe ntugamba katukoleki katujje tubataase mujje wano mutunyonyole mutugambe obadde nga batwala ono abadde nga batwala mwamuwa sente mwamuwa sente meka wamuwa sente meka mutwala 6 ate gwe 6 tujagenda mu maaso netunoonyereza ani tetutagenda mu maaso tunoonyereza